This is the Mighty Duke Power Pull, and it represents a truly remarkable breakthrough in portable collision repair systems. Using a 4,000-pound electric winch in conjunction with quarter-inch aircraft cable, the Mighty Duke develops over 7 tons of controlled pulling power. The cable travels over 5 pulleys and transmits an incredibly smooth feel back to the user, allowing you complete control over any pull. This is a 1979 Datsun 280ZX with damage to the left front and left rear of the vehicle. Here Jerry hooks up with a clamp, grabs the power in and power out control switch, and proceeds to get himself in position to control the pull from the best possible vantage point. I'd like you to listen and see for yourself now just what types of jobs the Mighty Duke is suited for. Well, as you're about to see, it's suited for just about anything, and at a price that has our competition scratching their heads. The pulls you are seeing here were taped in their exact sequence and are a complete video example of just how simple, safe, and effective the Mighty Duke is to use. The Mighty Duke has undergone over 5 years of research and development. It's also backed up by a 5-year warranty. If your shop is now using a bench system, the Mighty Duke would be a perfect addition. An addition that will allow you to get those bread and butter jobs out quicker than ever before, increasing your profits in the process. You can be set up for a pull with a Mighty Duke in less than 3 minutes, and you'll find that your metal setting time is decreased dramatically. If you're a small shop owner currently sending work out, well, you'll find the Mighty Duke will pay for itself almost immediately, after which you'll be able to stop paying most of your profits out to frame shops. This is the way the Datsun looked before the sequence of pulls began. Here you see it with the metal set back in place. Jerry then changes locations, gets in position to work on the rear quarter panel. The Mighty Duke is secured in place with just 1 bolt inserted into a floor anchor, but it's not the $50 to $60 variety that you might expect to pay, the type our competition uses, with chains hanging out to stumble all over. No, the Mighty Duke uses anchors that are flush with the floor surface, and they cost less than $2. So, unlike our competition's models, if you decide to change business locations in the future, you're not out a small fortune in floor pot costs. For less than $50, you're back in business in your new facility. And the Mighty Duke gives you the same smooth, controlled power from just about any angle that you might come up with, including, as you'll see later, straight down. Watch here as the Mighty Duke makes easy work of this quarter panel. '83 Lincoln Town Car with heavy damage to the right rear of the vehicle and the underlying frame. No problem, though, for the Mighty Duke. After first making a pull on the frame, Jerry then goes to work on the sheet metal. Here Jerry uses a sandwich clamp to help stretch the metal of the quarter panel as he begins to finish up the metal setting phase of the repair. The Mighty Duke repair system comes complete, including all attachments. Nothing left to buy. Everything you need to start putting more money back in your pocket. Here an overhead extension is used to make a pull on a severely damaged Chrysler LeBaron. With the Mighty Duke, you buy a complete system, and one that won't nickel and dime you to death. With our package, you receive one Mighty Duke frame, one 4,000-pound electric winch which develops over 7 tons of pulling power, all adjusting pins and pulleys, 2 heavy-duty chains with hooks, 1 double hook, 2 chain locks, 3 45-degree automobile and truck hold-downs, 1 90-degree auto hold-down, 24 floor anchors, 1 overhead attachment which extends out to over 7 feet, and 1 push-pull attachment which is ideal for straightening twisted doors. Everything you need to experience the simplicity, speed, and controlled power of the Mighty Duke. And when it comes to safety, well, there's nothing better on the market. As pressure is applied, the front of the unit dives down and hugs the concrete, locking itself in place without the need for chains anchoring it down from every direction. If something does happen to break loose, well, potentially deadly objects don't go flying around your shop, as might happen with other systems. The Mighty Duke. Ask for a demonstration today.